Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you unknown facts about K-pop BTS Band. On this channel we are going to upload interesting K-pop news every day, so make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest K-pop news and trends. So let's get it started. 1. BTS became the first K-pop group that got its own Twitter emojis. 2. In Korea, BTS Twitter account is the most followed. 3. BTS owns Korea's most followed Twitter account. 4. In 2017 and 2018, BTS is the most tweeted about celebrity. 5. BTS set the Guinness World Record for the most Twitter engagements for a music group. 6. Boy with Love by BTS feat. Halsey set 2 Guinness World Records. 7. BTS earned another Guinness World Record for having the fastest time to reach 1 million followers on TikTok. 8. The Gaon Music Chart recognized BTS for earning the highest sales ever for an album. Comment below which video you wish us to do next and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.